Hey, welcome to another tutorial from WordPress Page Builders Academy. We have an extensive library of tutorials for all the top WordPress page builders. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you can see them when they come out. Okay, now on to today's tutorial.
Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to load a pop-up after a certain amount of time a user's on your page. This is perfect for catching signups and converts rather well because you are presenting your sign-up form after someone has expressed interest in your content, instead of annoying them with a pop-up before they even get a chance to read your stuff. So in this video, we are going to first design a basic pop-up, and then we will show you how to use Brits server interactions and conditions to show the pop-up once the visitor has been on your page for a certain amount of time. And a pop-up we are going to be designing is just a basic pop-up form, a sign-up form. And so you already have a pop-up. Go ahead and skip to timestamp displayed here in this video. First, let's get started by creating a new template for our pop-up. Go ahead and name it a new pop-up or whatever you like. Set the template type to pop-up, of course, and go ahead and save it as a draft, and you can publish it later once you want it live. So once you're done setting the name, open the template in Bricks editor by clicking Edit with Bricks. Inside the Bricks editor, insert a div block into the pop-up. Then add the form widget to the div block. Make sure to include the heading title, like something like Sign Up Now. Next, integrate a sign up form field and customize the button. Adjust its size and spacing to fit your design. Afterwards, let's set up a social logging button using Google's protocol for user authentication. Customize the appearance, size, and alignment as needed. Customize the appearance of pop-up form itself to your liking.
Hey, we've got a quick favor to ask. If you've made it this far into that tutorial, please smash that like button. It will really help out this channel and these tutorials. Okay, now back to the actual tutorial. Thank you.
Okay, so now that we are done with designing the pop-up, let's adjust the time delay on the pop-up. So if you choose to apply this pop-up time delay site-wide, template-wide, or just certain pages, in this guide, we are going to configure the pop-up to show up on the entire website for simplicity's sake. If I were doing this on a real site, I would probably use different time delays for different types of templates or pages. So let's go to the pop-up settings and set up the interactions. Choose the content load trigger and put a delay in, let's say 20 seconds. Set the action to show the element, and make sure to set the target to pop up and select what pop-up you want to appear. Then you will want to set the conditions in which the pop-up appears. You can do this by scrolling to the conditions section of the editor for the pop-up template you are editing. Then you will want to set to apply to the entire website. So what this means is that the pop-up will load 20 seconds after the page is loaded, and this will apply to the entire website. So once you've set up your interactions and conditions, let's preview it to see if everything's working. And there you have it. Let's recreate a pop-up that appears after the user has been on your page for 20 seconds.
Okay, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And these videos take a lot of time, so if you do appreciate the content, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so we can reach more people. Thank you. And if you have any comments or questions, leave in the section below and we will get to them as soon as we can. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.